back to my channel. Today I did a Halloween makeup look. I know I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately, but stay tuned because these next couple of months I'm going to be doing quite a bit for Halloween. I have a whole bunch of ideas already in my mind that I have and that I'm going to create. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's the little button down below. Click it. And today I'm showing you how I got this autumn fairy inspired makeup look. I really wanted to do something that was pretty easy and girly, but still like transformative. So it's like something easier than drawing a whole bunch of stuff on your face and trying to make yourself like transform into something else, which I think some people are looking for that. And it's like a regular makeup, just more intensified and adding more oranges and reds and glitter. And then I added leaves all over my face, like on my forehead and along the side of my neck. And then I added these centerpieces that are from like tables, and I just like wrapped them all around everywhere and then just put them on, which you could probably totally do with like a cute like bodysuit or a tank top and like jeans or pants or whatever you guys want to do. I don't know how sexy you're gonna do it, but yeah, I just wanted to do something simpler but still transformative. And I also like got this wig off of Amazon. If you're looking for a good wig, this one's actually pretty good. It's pretty thick. It's not natural hair obviously, but it's super good for Halloween. I'll link that down below if you guys want to look for that. If you guys want to know how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my base, which is my foundation, and I'm using the lightest foundation that I have, and I'm adding white paint to it just because I feel like for autumn you're definitely a lot more fair than during the summer, and I just felt like that would be more appropriate, so I changed my skin color to quite a bit lighter actually, and I felt like it just went best with the theme that I was going with. And I'm just blending that foundation out with a brush. I would probably typically use a beauty blender for my foundation, but because it did have like white paint, I didn't want to get that in my beauty blender. And then I also just used white paint, or you can use the lightest concealer you have, and put that right where I want to highlight, which is under my eyes, forehead, bridge of my nose, chin. And I just blend that out with the brush. So for the eyes, I'm using the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I'm using the shade Sand, and I'll be using Terracotta a little bit as well. And I'm putting that right in my crease and in my outer corner. I really want this look to be very orangey and red, so I definitely went in on those colors. And then I went in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I used the shade Amber and Saffron. I went right in my outer corner and in my crease as well. I just brought it down a little bit lower than what I did with that other transition shade, and I brought that to my lower lash line as well. And you just blend and put as much or as little as you want. And for the glitter on my lid, I used the ColourPop eyeshadow palette. I don't know, like the palm tree one, I don't know what it's called, but I used the shade Bombaya, I don't know. It doesn't say Bon Voyage, it says Bombaya. So I used that right on my lid. I used glitter glue first because I didn't want the glitter to be falling off onto my lid and not sticking well. So I used that, and I used a brush first and then patted it on. And now I'm doing my eyeliner. I'm doing that off camera just because I didn't want to waste time. And then for bronzer, use any bronzer you want. I just started off with a regular bronzer, which is by Morphe, this one. And then I started using actual eyeshadows, which were more orangey and red, which you'll see here in a little bit. But I'm doing it in the same places that I normally do it, which is on my cheekbones, the forehead, jawline, nose, the bottom of my lip, my bottom lip. And I'm using that same brush with the same product that I used for the Violet Voss Essentials palette. I'm using that same shade and just using it to contour my nose, just because I wanted it to be all connected with the eyeshadow. And I'm using those same colors that I used on my eyes, on my forehead, and on my jawline, and on my cheekbones as contour and like blush and everything, just because I wanted to have a very warm and like reddish orange contour. And I'm also going in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and using the same shades Amber and Saffron, just to really intensify that contour. And I'm using that on the jawline, everywhere that I had it before, just more intensified. And I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera, so beware, they're going to be bright red. They don't go with my hair, but they will in a little bit. And I'm pretty much doing the same lip color as I did on my eyebrows. I just wanted everything to be very cohesive and mesh well together, so I did it all like around the same colors together. And I know it looks wild right now. I like look at myself and I'm like, what the heck? But as soon as the wig and everything else comes along, it just all looks good. So there's going to be the final look. I'm just going to put on my wig and start transforming into an autumn fairy. Alright you guys, that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll put all my social media links down below, and I'll link this wig if any of you want to get one or are looking for a good wig. This is pretty decent for a good price. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye chicos!